Alright, here we go, guys. Go. 1, 2. Oh, that's perfect right there.
Scott Hall, what do you have to say for all your fans?
I want to thank everybody who was praying for me and wishing me well when I was real sick. And what doesn't kill me makes me stronger, man.
Thank you very much. The main man, Razor Ramon.
Spread the word. I'm not keeping it a secret anymore.
Okay.
Spread the word.
Awesome.
Everybody, Razor Ramon here.
Everybody want mine, get mine.
Father and Son, the New World Order.
One more. Yeah. For the video chat, we all chat. It's really fun.
Larry, what do you have to say about all these years?
Nothing. I'm a hermit.
My sister in London, that's the way I talk to her.
Across the whole magazine, right in the front.
That's so cool. That's awesome. Yeah, dude, I had to find this one on eBay, man. I was 12. This one's old school.
Right. Well, if you want to fill out one of these, you can get free tickets.
Everybody, the main man, Scott Hall, the Wolfpack man.